Let's have some fun.
So we've been road tripping to Russia every Wednesday for over a month now, right?
Yes.
So how much have we really learned? Our producer has a pop quiz for us, but here's the plan. If we don't get it right, we have to take a sip off of the water. You know? So I said, what kind of water? And the floor manager said, you will taste it. Which means it's some rubbish them give it. But so I can put in something sweet before. Because I think we're going to need it after we taste the water. Come, run the question up, Mr. Wawan.
Oh God, what is Russian fella then? Blue and red.
She answered blue and white. I say red, white, and blue.
I knew that. I couldn't see the white. Lord. What is this? Sour water. I don't know.
Right, you're going to Next question.
What is that? Federation? Is that from a republic?
Russia is...
It's not Commonwealth.
the Russian Federation.
I said it first. I said republic.
You did not say republic. Drink it.
There's so much I know about Russia. I did say republic, though.
You did not.
I said republic.
You said federation.
Republic.
You made me say federation.
And then you said federation, and then me think say you know. So then me will say...
Drink.
What is this?
Next. Vladimir Putin is...
If president. B.
If it is a republic, he's the president.
I already said B. Drink.
Drink what?
I said it first.
But I said that I
You
never
can't,
get it
that's-
wrong. No, you must drink if you get it wrong. You said B, me never know name B. Russian cabbage soup is called A.
No, it's called...
Me don't say A already.
Shishi.
Me don't say A.
I told you I'm right. Thank you. Go take a sip. Shishi. Moscow. Oh, no.
you
I
said
lie.
Moscow already,
I lie. No, it says what was the capital?
Right, and you said Moscow already.
It's not Moscow. It's...
Well, you're going to drink, you know, because you're not Moscow. So,
It's
no.
St. Petersburg. It's the same... It's Kiev. Kiev. I know. No, I said it. I got it right.
No. You said
First
Moscow.
I said Moscow because I didn't read the
Don't
question.
you say Moscow, sir?
Because I thought it was asking
Drink.
the capital of Russia, but then it said what was, and I
My
told
sweetheart,
you.
have a drink, my darling.
I got it right.
No, you didn't, sweetie pie.
No, I got it
My
right.
honey-
Didn't I say it, guys?
My honey, thank you.
Eh? No, I was reading it. I said Moscow, St. Petersburg, and I said no, it's Kiev or Kiev or however them say.
It's Kiev, but
Yeah, privy to yourself.
drink up, honey. Honey.
Dobre utro.
Drink up. No, man, you don't take it up.
Jim. It's gross.
What is the Hermitage in Russia? I don't remember getting this question.
Are these questions we had when I was working?
It's a library.
No, the Hermitage is a museum. Let's go. I'm right. Go. Drink.
Thank you, Benji.
Thank you. Drink.
I made you
Benji, you were feeding him answers? Oh, this is wrong.
No.
How do you say
What is
wrong?
this, man? Which monument is not in Moscow? Red Square.
No. St. Ives. Oh, God, I don't know. Red Square? Nah, yeah. Go. Red Square. C.
Let me
This
set
too.
you up.
Oh. It's in St. Isaac's
I
Cathedral.
tell you, I
It's in
set
St.
you up.
Petersburg.
Oi.
You were the one who said. Who's the one who
You
said red?
The two of us said red square.
You know, I'm gonna learn Russian. I'm gonna download the Russian
Yes.
app.
Take a drink, no man.
I didn't get it wrong.
You did. You said red square.
I followed what you said.
What does Kremlin mean?
Eh?
You know where you need to get them things from, because nobody told us on these Wednesdays. I am going to say fortress.
A Kremlin is a castle. Okay, it's a fortress. I just had to sit. This stuff is making me feel sick. What is it?
All right.
It's actually gross.
No.
I'm
But
just
you're
gonna...
not drinking enough. Come on, man. Come, honey, come.
What you did to my phone?
I never do not. I don't touch you. Because you don't know how to drink.
Ugh. What is that, Unique?
Yeah.
I know it's
Yeah.
like a... Thank you. You always have tissue in your hand?
Russian president lives at...
Well, nobody say Red Square, because Red Square not in it. Or Red Square is... No,
It's
what did
just
we
not
say?
in-
What was the question? Or which one is not?
In-
Okay.
Kremlin Red Square.
This is Red Square.
All right? Okay, now.
Red Square.
Winter Palace.
I told you Kremlin.
I said Kremlin from first. Drink.
I told you!
You did not say Kremlin. What are
Marvin,
we doing?
work
It's
with
me,
me.
it's a Kremlin. You know, drink. Drink.
I'm the worst with these games. Russia falls into 9 time zones.
Come on, man. Drink the
I know it's 9. Because you know,
That
very
we
big
had that
country.
in our Wednesday thing. I remember that.
I
Yes, we
remember
never
that.
had.
because when one match is going on, we're talking about
What kind of drink is
completely
this?
different time zone.
What is this? Tonic water.
That tonic water with some sour something in it, it's terrible. No, tonic
No,
water
tonic
doesn't
water
taste like
sour.
this, sir. No, not like this.
How did we do? How much you get right a while ago?
Show me my points. That's why I know I'm winning.
No, how much you get right a while ago?
You know that's why I never do quizzes.
Well,
I just don't like quizzes.
because you don't like
I don't like quizzes.
I get 3 and she get 4? That's not,
Lie.
that cannot be true.
Lie. I got 4, right? And he got 3, right?
Cannot be.
Say it again. Can we please publish this? Can we please publish the information
We soon come back, yeah?
and take a screenshot?
She'll be on her own when we come back. That's all right.
I'm hungry, we're hungry.